How to add a story on Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram app and now wondering on how to add a story on it, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings right here at the bottom. Then here you can find my profile right here. Now select it. Then here you can find add a post. Now tap on it. Now add a photo. Simply add the photo or video. You can also choose it from your gallery right here. Now add a photo just like this and tap on to next. You can also edit it from the tools right here. Tap on to next. Then here you can find post story. Now select it. Now you can see the story has been posted. That's it. This is how you can add a story on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.